Toskabosio mraiwensi ya Kenya William Ruto nigo aikiranira somo chioro mensi ya Italy ase Etaro ya matukabire herigo sangano mraiwensi iyo ase CHISEKTA AOAO echensi ya Kenya rengete kubwatirana nensi ya Italy mraiwensi nigariganiwa no mraiwensi ya Italy Sergio Malterera ase bono korengana no ambassador wensi ya Kenya himia Rome Daktari Frederick Matwanga na mono waziri omonene uyubo igotenreta mangana echensi CHISEKTA Kenya Musalia Mudavadi bairaire buna Etaro iyo nigo erengete konyorobo konyi bugwikirania gatia magendro AOAO aiga sensi ya Kenya.
This is the first official visit His Excellency the President is making to Italy. Of course, the President has been here severally in the last 2 years, but this is a return visit, an official return visit, because you recall His Excellency President Sergio Mattarella visited Kenya in 2023. His Excellency the President will have a meeting with the leader of the Parliament of Italy, just as to establish a framework to see how we can enhance interparliamentary cooperation. The diaspora have been known to be very key source of remittances to our country, and the diaspora in Italy are very important in this aspect. We want to see how we can also encourage the diaspora in Italy to be agents for promoting trade and investment between Kenya and Italy, to be agents of technology transfer between our two countries, because we know there are several areas within Italy that they have better capacity that we can learn from and we can share with Kenya.
Kenya and Italy have had very long-standing partnerships. We've had a lot of programs that we've worked on as nations over the years. So this is a good opportunity to take stock of where we are and what we want